Well, India is tightening its news around fugitives now. Nirav Modi's brother has been held in US. He is under the custody of US agencies. In fact, Nihal Modi, who is Nirav Modi's brother, also one of the accused in the large banking fraud case with relation to Punjab National Bank. He has been Yes, he's under the custody of US agencies, and this has happened on the request of India to extradite him. He has been nabbed on India's request. He also features in the charge sheet that has been filed by ED. India's investigating agencies have accused him, apart from his brother Nirav Modi and their uncle Mehul Choksi, of perpetrating a criminal conspiracy corruption in Punjab National Bank, one of the largest banking scams that India has seen. Nihal is the younger brother of Nirav Modi. Both ED and CBI had sought his extradition, and he has been accused in a multi-million-dollar fraud case. Anushka, who reports on investigating agencies for us, joins us live. Anushka, help us understand. Nihal Modi is the younger brother of Nirav Modi. When is the hearing going to take place? Does this mean that he could be extradited to India soon?
That's right, Vasudha. This is a major development in India's biggest banking fraud scam. What we are understanding by now is that Nihal Modi is in fact taken into custody from the US Department of Justice. They have informed the Indian agencies about the arrest that was made on 4th July 2025. Now, in this case, the extradition hearing is scheduled on 17th of July, wherein Nihal Modi is expected to file a bail application, which the US prosecution has said that they will be opposing. Not just that, they have also in fact arrested Nihal Modi on behalf of India's extradition request that was made. There are two major charges against Nihal Modi. One is of money laundering, and the second is of destroying the evidence, of the whole case. In this money laundering case, Nihal Modi is said to have laundered thousands of crores of money. Not just that, he also was in fact running a series of shell companies and was doing international transaction to conceal the illicit funds. And based on all of this, the US authorities have taken him under arrest. There is a hearing for his extradition that is scheduled on 17th of July. In that extradition hearing, the Indian agencies are going to be asking for his extradition. It is yet to be seen if that request is granted or not. But one thing is for sure, that Nihal Modi is going to oppose, is in fact going to file his bail plea, which the US prosecution has said that they will already be opposing.